take one. Okay, so you can see we're on Mission Planner here. This is a drone video, quadcopter video, okay? What we're going to do is we have the drone here. You can see the drone. It's got the Raspberry Pi computer running PixHawk. The Pi is powered by a 5-volt UBEC, and of course the battery down here. So the drone's all ready to go. All right, and here is the Raspberry Pi on the monitor. Okay, it's running the Raspbian Stretch. It's pretty much just a terminal operating system, so you don't have a desktop or anything like that. Here's the radio for the drone. Okay, so the drone's all hooked up. It's strapped to the table because I had the props on it. And there's the Pi right there. Everything's plugged in and ready to go. We don't really need the monitor plugged into it or the keyboard because we're going to SSH to operate the Python script. Okay, so here we go. So here's the Ubuntu computer. The first thing we're going to do is SSH into this computer, from this computer to the Raspberry Pi. That's number one. So let's do it. Okay, so we're logged into the Pi now. So if we can see we're into the Pi, okay? So if you look here, you can see we're logged in, and there's our Pi drive right there. So we're going to go to the Pi drive. So here in this Ubuntu machine, running Ubuntu 17.0, we can do our Python script, okay? So you look here, you see connection string equals, this is our PixHawk right here, okay? This is the same for a serial connection. So what we've done here, see the baud rate? What we've done here is we've run a USB cable from the PixHawk to the Pi, but we had to go in and find the address where the USB is connected. How we do that is right here. We ls USB enter, and it gives us a list, and you can see, no, it's not showing it now. I don't know why. Where the hell is it? Why is it not showing it? Anyway, that's how I found this here. The /dev serial USB 3D robotics. Okay, it's not showing it right now. I don't know why. We'll get back to that. Let's try it one more time. It's not showing it for some reason. Yeah, maybe it's not. It's plugged in. Okay, so anyway, we'll look at that later. So anyway, so there's where we can redo our scripts here. See, we can do whatever we want here in this file with this machine and save it. Okay, and it's saved to the hard drive, which is the SD card of a Raspberry Pi. Okay, now with this computer we can connect to Mission Planner. Okay, we just go over here and connect. Now we're connected to we're connecting to the drone here with Mission Planner. Okay. Now what my video is about is how you can take this outside and fly it with the Python scripts. Okay. And the only way I could figure out how to do it would be with a cell phone, because you have to have internet to SSH to the Pi. Okay, so we're going to do that now. So we go to our phone, and we SSH, we connect. Okay, we log in. Okay, punch in our password. Okay, so we're logged into the Pi with the phone now. See? You see we're logged into the Pi. So we can CD drone, and then we'll LS. It'll list what's in the file folder, and we're going to CD how do drones work. Okay? Now we're connected to the Raspberry Pi computer with the hotspot on the cell phone. Okay? So we're going to CD my scripts. Then we'll LS my scripts. Okay? We'll we're going to go ahead and run the Python script. And we're going to send it to the drone. Now what's going to happen is this script, which we used this computer for to manipulate it or refine it, is going to make a connection to the drone, to the Pi, to the Pixhawk. Okay? So watch what happens. Okay, we're connected. Frame is the quad. Okay, it's reading all the parameters from the quad. Okay? Now, this is going to work good, because if I go outside, you know, wherever I have phone reception at, I can SSH to my quadcopter. See? So if we run another script, let's just run, we'll go ahead and We'll go ahead and CD back to Pi. Okay. We'll CD. Okay, we can LS here. And you can see we can run Mavproxy from here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to run Mavproxy. We should connect to the drone again. See USB 3D Robotics PX4. Okay, it's saying mode stabilize. So it's reading the battery. Flight battery's 100%. Okay. 773 parameters. So it's reading the Pixhawk, but from the Raspberry Pi is running Mavproxy. So that's the beauty of this system. Now watch this. If I take the radio controller, see we're in stabilize mode, just like it says right there, stabilize mode. Now I can change the mode. It'll change there at the Pi. Loiter mode, altitude hold, back to stabilize, and then if we want to arm it, we just pull it over and put it in the arm mode. It's armed, and the motors are spinning, see? It's ready to go. It's ready to fly. So you can run any script with any of your Python script